Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to listen to Spotify while playing Roblox. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Spotify mobile application. Now you just have to select that particular song which you want to play. So let's say I want to play this particular song over here. So as you can see that the song is now playing. Now I will open my Roblox application. So after opening my Roblox application, if I swipe down the notification bar, then you will notice that the song is still playing. It hasn't paused yet. So now we will tap on the game that we want to play, and after that we will simply click on the button. Now when the game is playing, if I scroll down, then as you can see that the Spotify music is still playing, it is not paused. So in order to listen to the music very clearly, you will have to click on this Roblox icon in the top. Here you will have to tap on settings. In the settings you will be able to see the volume tab, so you will have to decrease the volume. So what this will do, it will decrease the volume in your game, and now you will be able to listen to whichever music you are listening very clearly. Now you can start playing the game while listening the Spotify music. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.